LECFC News Update.
Si Billy Rangel. Ako naman si Rojoy. At ito ang LECFC News Update. Ongoing pa rin po ang ating Delio Trail. Kita-kita tayo mamaya. Mamaya alas 2 ng hapon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Bigay na po ng certificate mamaya sa mga umaten o dumalo ng project ng Media Group via Exabi. Congratulations po sa inyong lahat.
Our morning service starts at 10 a.m. and ends at 12 noon every Sunday. Enjoy God's presence and fellowship with our co-believers. For the young people, the youth service is for you, 2:30 p.m. until 4 p.m. every Sunday. Every Friday, we hold our prayer meeting at 8 p.m. Itaas natin ang Panginoon sama-sama habang tayo'y tapat na nananalangin sa Kanya. It's great to spend more time with our co-believers as we study His Word. So make sure na may cell group ka na ang kinabibilangan. We hold our men's and women's joint fellowship every third Sunday of the month after our morning service. Huwag kalimutan! For all the church workers, don't forget our workers' fellowship every first Wednesday of the month. This is a great time to have fellowship with one another.
Let's hold tightly without wavering to the hope we affirm. For God can be trusted to keep His promise. Hebrews 10:23. Hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita, at ito ang LECFC News Update.
LECFC News Update.